Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a few tips as to how to crack UPSC CMS. First, let's go through the marking scheme. Paper 1 consists of 120 questions, of which 96 questions come from medicine and 24 from pediatric. Again, paper 2 consists of 120 questions, 40 questions from surgery, 40 from OBG and 40 from PSM. As you can see, a large chunk come from the final year subject. So this is a must write exam for the interns as you're fresh from your final year exams. And of course, for the post interns, it would aid as a revision tool for the upcoming NEET PG or INICT. What you have to do is you have to download the previous year question paper, at least past 5 to 6 years, from the UPSC CMS official website. So once you have downloaded, just go through the question paper. You can see a pattern where most topics are repeated. So what I have done is I have gone through the past 5 to 6 year question paper, and I'm mentioning the topics which have come in exam at least twice. So let's get started. From the cardiovascular system, JVP, ECG, valvular disease, MI, infective endocarditis, rheumatic fever, pleural fluid analysis, spirometry, pneumonia, COPD, and bronchial asthma from respiratory system. And from GIT, ascitic fluid analysis, malabsorption syndrome, hepatitis, cirrhosis complication. From renal system, nephrotic and nephritic syndrome, renal biopsy. From hematology, anemia, leukemia, vitamin deficiency. From poisoning, snake bite and OP poison. From CNS, brainstem syndrome, Parkinsonism. From endocrinology, diabetes mellitus and SIADH. Some miscellaneous topics such as vasculitis, potassium calcium electrolyte imbalance. Then from infective diseases, malaria, meningitis, rabies, HIV, leptospira and food poisoning. Few drugs you have to know. You have to read the side effect as well. Antihypertensive drug, anti-angina, anti-tuberculosis and antimicrobial. Mechanism of action, mechanism of resistance, side effect are important. Pediatrics, vaccine, very important topic because it covers both. It is covered in both PSM as well as in pediatric. And milestones are important: resuscitation, congenital syndromes and SAM. From OBG, vaginal discharge, STD, pelvic inflammatory disease, contraception. At least 3 to 7 questions will come from contraception, amenorrhea, ectopic pregnancy management, abortion causes, then pap smear, carcinoma cervix, PPH management, RH negative pregnancy management, manures in pregnancy, antenatal screening and management of prolapse. Surgery, SIRS, sepsis, you have to know the definition by heart. Wound healing and infection, triangle of doom, obesity, bariatric surgery, hernia. From pancreas, pseudocyst is asked. It was asked at least thrice, I think. Then thyroid disorders. From PSM, sensitivity, specificity, positive predictive value, negative predictive value, calculations you have to know. Then relative risk, attributable risk, odds ratio, incidence, secondary attack rate, calculations you have to know. Rates and ratios, different rates and ratios are asked, the definition is asked, or the calculation, the formulas are asked. Biomedical waste management, then from programs you will get at least 3 to 7 questions. Then vaccine, type of epidemic, type of study, and statistical test, parametric or non-parametric test. These are asked very often. That's all guys, these are the most important topics. If you study these topics, you will get at least 50 questions in UPSC CMS. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.